Do you struggle with your up dog? Do you find you get back pain in this posture? Do you find that you're not unsure of where to engage? I'm going to give you a quick tip on how we can improve this asana or this pose and start to make it a little bit more effective into getting into the muscles we need to be hitting. So here we're going to need 2 blocks. You could use a cushion or anything else that's just going to give you some support. And we're just going to start with these nice and high to begin with. We can even come to here. Now we're going to come into our plank position and we're going to center these blocks just underneath the front of our hips. Put your hand on your hip and you find that bony prominence. That's where we're aiming for with these, okay? So here, I'm going to set up in my quadrupedal position or 4s. I'm going to roll and wrap my shoulders back. I press into the floor and I come into my plank. Now as I start to come down, I'm going to squeeze my glutes and draw my shoulders back and then start to lift my head to find this position here. I'm going to hold here, I'm going to engage my core a little bit. I keep engaging my glutes, keep drawing my shoulders back, and I come back up. If that feels really comfortable, then we're going to come to this position here. We drop our support down. We don't have to go far. We do the same again. We start in our all 4s position. We roll the shoulders back. We drop the legs back. We come into plank, squeezing the glutes and drawing the shoulders down towards the hips. I pull myself down into the blocks. I'm pressing into my hands and I'm lifting my chest forwards. I'm using the blocks as a guide and the support, and I'm squeezing my glutes here and focusing on the core. Holding, 3, 2, 1. Pressing or driving back out, whichever feels best and appropriate for you to do. If you found this helpful, there's going to be more breakdowns in greater detail on the complete breakdown of up dog. Thank you very much.